viewers, National Crime Report Bureau laga hisabte India state species ase eduhan majode Nagaland thaga maiki khandu hoile sabse safest jaga te ase koikana kwa monso prahuni thakise enaga kwa bichedibi Nagaland de February 24 Monday morning de Dimapur laga civil hospital de ki incident hoise itu laga incident hunigana etia naga manukan monso as a whole khusade thaga aro mon bia baigna thaga nohole soram baigna thaga monso pra experience kuri ase huna sabte Monday morning de it be broad daylight day 2 June Miss Cranbra actual maiki nursing student ge assault kura monso pra hunibas it be broad daylight yo viewers kan naga manukan mon ko dejas idia National Crime Report Bureau laga hisabte Nagaland hole ekta safest jaga ase maiki khan nimide koigina national khan sopra idu laga opore piswas kurigina thaga homoide mohan laga commercial city de idu bi aro idu hospital bithode aro idu bi broad daylight de enaga assault kura hole moi laga hisabte bi idu PC content kurigina goyas aro viewers idu laga opore Western Jagasang laga, nohile Jagasang laga, civil society organizations khanbra contempt kurigina, alak NGOs khanbra contempt kura mohan sopra huni ase. Aro aji laga newspaper laga hisabte alak NGOs Nagaland de kiman civil society organizations khan ase tahan brabi etu laga incident opore contempt kurigina kotha kwa mohan sopra huni bas. Aro Jagasang laga civil society organizations khanbra demand kura do hole etu maiki ke justice dibo lage. Aro etia culprit to hole actually thurigina asu goise tai kibe low lage hisabte befitting punishment dibo lage aro actually etia kuntu arrest nukurigina ase tai bi hole police khan ge arrest kurule appeal kura monso pra dikhiba ase aro tai khan laga mang hisabte monso pra jana do hole culprit kun hobi tai khan ge hole befitting punishment dibo lage aro ki dia bi bail out nohobo lage goigana kwa monso pra dikhiba ase
strongly condemn, appeal to the authority to give a befitting punishment as per the law and should not bail out.
Naga manukan as a Christian, aro idui no gana akiru konisna Nagaland de hole maiki khan nimide sabse safest jaga ase India de kwa laga nam bia burishito
Mokhando ekdom idu bia lage ase bishi condemn kore ase mokhando idu to mokhando koboli na pare worse bi nai na mokhana bacha ase mokhan ko koboli na pare hole bi mo kobolu mon ja do mokhando Christian state te bi safe nai maki kan amma kan mokhan amma hole bi aro inika kore aro bacha kan do aro kininga safe korbo nijor state prabi inika korele aro dusra state te mokhan la bacha chukuri ka kininga safe hobo
idinchna incident gudo hole monso pra contempt kro lage ajilaga video de viewers etia moi bra koanisna Nagaland hole sabse safest jaga ekta ase crime rate against the women do hole Nagaland de percentage species low ase to ejo Uttar Pradesh kute crime rate to PC ase taijun compare kurina moi kotha kolo mon jay ase etia viewers monso pra janibo 2022 de National Crime Record Bureau khanbra ola ekta report hisabte Nagaland de maiki khan ge assault kura crime against women do hole 4.6% ase 2022 de Nagaland de maiki khan la population do hole 10 lakhs approx thakise so crimes against women per lakh te 4.6% thakise that means 1 lakh majode 4600 manu khan gudu hole assault kura edu thakise to edia 10 lakhs te kiman lakh thakibo 10 thagudo to 4600 into 10 to hole do 46000 manu olaije to Nagaland thaka maiki khan laga population do hole 10 lakhs ase to out of 10 lakhs 46000 maiki khan do hole assault kurigina ase India nationally size hokole do crime against the woman do hole 66.2 ase which is very much more than the percentage of our state mohalaga state te crimes against women laga percentage to PC kum dia ase PC phal ase idu maintain guru lage monso pra idu othai diwole kosis no guru lage idia idu crime control guru le it's not only the concerned department laga responsible noy police khan laga responsibility se noy dusra civil society organizations khan laga responsibility se noy monso laga responsibles ekta ase mohan laga choka par shuru guru lage inako hole mohan laga state crime rate to idia bi kumdi hoi jabo idu ra monso pra bhabana guru le idu bi chanai di ase to idia akiru konisna 4.6% majore charge sheeting rate of crime dole 92.2% ase which is very much more than the national charge sheeting crime rate of India that is 75.8 that means crimes against women laga 4.6% majore 92% kan hole nichu ke happen kura incident hole FIR kura ke mansopra charge sheeting rate of crime go to Nagaland idia 92% khan bra to hole nichu ke ki happen hoise aro societies khan bra aro alag NGOs khan bra edu katham othai kana edu laga against FIR kura honi bas hole bi India re khali 75.8% khan bra report kuri ase FIR kuri ase the rest to hole FIR bi no kuri inaga chari dia PC ase India re bi hole bi Nagaland idia konisna 92% manu khan bra nichu ke ki incident hoy nichu ke kine ka assault hoy edu laga opore FIR kuri gena katham othai gena nichu laga rights name re fight kura mohan dikhiba ase viewers idia monso pro janibo India laga states khan majore kutte crimes against women bisi take place kuri edu hole Uttar Pradesh te ase Uttar Pradesh te per lakh maiki laga population majore 58.6% manu khan gure hole assault kura honi bas 2022 re Uttar Pradesh te maiki khan laga population to hole 9 crores thakise to idu khan majore per lakh maiki khan majore 58.6% maiki khan ke assault kura thakise that means per lakh te 58,600 manu khan ke assault kura thakise to idia edu 58.6% to hole the whole of the Uttar Pradesh laga maiki khan laga population ke compare kuri gna chai sable to maiki khan laga population to 9 crores that means 9 crore 900 lakhs thakibul na to 58,600 into 900 to hole kiman hobo 5 crores something hobo then still out of 9 crores 4 crores maiki khan hole safe ase holibi Nagaland akiru konisna out of 10 lakhs kiman manu safe ase na out of 10 lakhs kiman maiki khan safe ase edu mohan population wise compare kuri na jai sable to mohan laga state hi maiki khan do PC safe noha dikhiba ase edu bra aji laga video de moi bra common hod hole mohan sok pra katham othaw lage edu nishna incident de mohan sok pra condemn kuru lage ki le bole idia national laga record hisab te Nagaland de crimes against women beshi kumdi ase hole bi kumdi ase go na mohan kiba no phago lage advantage na law lage na edu hole parada kumdi guru dibo lage aro edu kumdi guru le it's not only a responsible of concerned department police khan laga kami noy nohole alag civil society organizations khan laga nohole NGOs khan laga kami noy mohan sob laga kam ase nichu laga choka de mohan edu opore mohan husia hob lage aro mohan individually bi edu kurile phal no hobo edu kurile phal hobo kana mohan sob prabi chani kana thakibo to 24th February Monday morning day mohan laga commercial city Dimapur laga civil hospital de ki take place kurise edu laga incident hole dia monso pra honi gana pa ase aro so far idia da edu accused to hole reveal kura nai action to thori gana ase tai laga identity reveal kura nai edu bra civil society organizations aro NGOs khan bra tai laga identity to hole reveal kuri dibo lagi ku gana po ase edu bi hosa ase aro second accused to hole idia da na thori gana thaka honi ba ase to monso pra akha rakhibu ki police khan bra edu bi thori gana tai jun ke ki befitting punishment baul ase pabo ko gana monso akha rakhibole aji laga video bra viewers san anan ke share kori di ase thank you everyone for watching my video